You're in your SUV on the freeway, daydreaming about what to cook your family for dinner. Then, out of nowhere, bang! A violent impact sends you into a sickening high-speed interstate spin, trapped inside a rotating metal cage. You pray to God that no oncoming traffic broadsides you as your car is helplessly rotating across lanes. This is what happened to an innocent woman in Arkansas when a careless state trooper mistakenly performed a pit maneuver on her vehicle while chasing a man running from a traffic ticket. He then aimed his gun at the woman while uncontrollably shouting, "Show me your hands! Show me your hands!" Look at this gut-wrenching video. We will come back and analyze at the end and shock you with the Arkansas State Police's ultimate decision regarding the officer.
Hello, sir.
How you doing, boss?
Trooper Fisher with the Arkansas State Police. The reason I stopped is I had you at least 92. Coming on to 630, it's a 60, so I had you at 32 over, okay?
Right. I was rushing. I just got over. I was trying to get to my weight.
Okay, I got you. You got your license on you? That looks like a license right there. Is that your license?
That's my ID. That's not my license.
Do you have a license?
Yes, thank you.
You already have your seatbelt off, or did you just take it off?
I just took it off.
Why'd you take it off for?
I took it off because I already knew you were about to put me over.
But why would you take your seatbelt off, though? You see what I'm saying? Because if a cop comes up to the window, you know, it doesn't look good.
I ain't know I was supposed to have it on, but I thought you seen me with it on.
Nah, I didn't notice.
Yeah, I just took it off.
Okay, I got you. You got any marijuana in the car?
Do I have milk?
Any marijuana in the car? Because I smell marijuana. So, I asked if you have marijuana. Is it yes or no?
I got a blunt in my pocket, I think.
Okay. So no weapons in this bag right here? No? Okay.
Okay.
I got you. I'll take it. This is just ID. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I'm rushing. I just got off. I'm trying to get to my wife. That's what I'm saying. She on the phone right now.
Okay, I got you. All right, I'll be right back, okay?
All right, do your thing.
Is the odor of marijuana in the vehicle? He gave me a small joint. I don't think that's what is causing that smell, though, because I asked him if he had marijuana. He started reaching in the bag to pull out something, and I said, "Don't go in the bag." He didn't answer if he had marijuana or not, and then I had to re-ask it two more times. I'm gonna put my mic in my shirt pocket. Is the clip broken?
Airport.
CMS comments and
That tip tag is David Boy 774-739 DB 774-739. A white Buick Vista. You got that for me? Can you got that for me? Can you got that for me? Looking over. Because I got to do the inventory of the vehicle because I smell marijuana, so I got to check.
You said what?
I smell marijuana, so I got to check. Hey, go ahead and step out for me. It's clear, man. Come on.
He said he smelled marijuana and he got to check the coat.
Come here. Check my ID, right? Hey, come on, step out of the car for me. Before the 5. 630 east before the 5. Or 630 east before the 5. 57 miles an hour. Not exceeding the speed limit being took off by traffic stop. We just took the exit, 30 miles an hour. Yeah, did you? Yeah. Get out! Show me your hands! Show me your hands! Get out of the vehicle! Show me your hands!
I'm sorry. I was just trying to find a place to pull over. Bro, what did I do?
I'm sorry, I got the wrong car.
What did I do?
I'm sorry, I got the wrong car. You're good. Get back in the vehicle.
As you saw, almost too many breaches of police protocol to analyze. Welcome to the Four Eyes of Law. I am Larry J. Brookins, a California trial attorney with over 25 years of litigation experience. This all began on Interstate 630 West, near University Avenue. From the moment the state trooper pulled the speeding driver over until he rammed his cruiser into the wrong vehicle. He engaged in a series of debacles that only the comedic legends the likes of Laurel and Hardy could pull off. This wasn't slapstick, but real life, and carried the potential of great bodily harm or worse. Thus, our critique and analysis of the major police procedural violations. First, I don't know if you caught this, but the trooper's initial and potentially dangerous error was stopping his cruiser and aligning it directly behind the suspect's vehicle. Should another car strike the police cruiser from behind, the impact could shove the patrol car forward into the officer, potentially pinning him or causing serious injury or death. Officers are trained to stop about one car length back and angle the cruiser roughly 30 degrees to the left. This forms a protective wedge that redirects rear impacts forward and creates a clear channel for an officer to escape. Now, if this video is telling you something, tap the bell and hit the subscribe button for the Four Eyes of Law. The second police pursuit violation was target fixation. In high-speed vehicle pursuits, target fixation on color rather than specific vehicles can result in a lethal pursuit failure. Though, the trooper clocked a white Buick Envista flying over 90 miles per hour. His PIT targeted a massive GMC Yukon. These two auto silhouettes are substantially different. Third, gunpoint escalation. This may have been the most egregious violation of police protocol. After forcing an innocent woman into a high-speed somersault, the state trooper ordered her out of her vehicle at gunpoint.
Hands above your
There had
head!
already been a misidentification of vehicle, now person. Then, with his gun drawn, he subjected her to another potential heart-pounding and deadly result. Keep in mind that apart from the driving, the only suspected criminality was the supposed smell of marijuana. Fourth, proximity and situational blindness. The dashcam evidence suggests that the real suspect was possibly still visible further down the interstate when the trooper struck the SUV. This signifies tunnel vision and a hunt for the first similar SUV rather than the actual vehicle. Fifth, the negligent application of force. A PIT maneuver, officially known as a tactical vehicle intervention, involves the power, physics, and weight of a moving vehicle. It's a significant use of force. Many scholars argue that it constitutes a seizure under the Fourth Amendment. Employing a level of physical force as a police cruiser against a driver not positively identified as the culprit could be a direct violation of a citizen's right to be free from unreasonable seizure. Perhaps the only positive that may have come from this entire spectacle of hazards is that the Arkansas State Police terminated the trooper rather swiftly. This perhaps occurred only because the trooper was a new probationary employee who had less than 1 year of service, which allows many government employers to terminate without cause. Also, the Arkansas State Police may be gaining a reputation as a trigger-happy PIT maneuver department, due to the number of wrongful tactical vehicle interventions they have been involved in recently. Think, if the trooper had a few more months on the job, they may have been stuck with him. The big question is, should this cop have been fired or given some more training and another chance? And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to tap that bell and subscribe buttons.